The topic of today's presentation is ideas for backyard sculpture. Hey there, fellow art enthusiasts and backyard enthusiasts. Today, let's dive into the world of imagination and explore some fantastic ideas to turn your backyard into a captivating sculpture haven. Whether you're an art connoisseur or just someone looking to add a touch of creativity to your outdoor space, we've got you covered. Enjoy the presentation and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Click your notification bell so you won't miss incoming educational presentations. Thank you. As always, thank you for your support to this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. Thank you.